Hi, good evening. How's it going? Today is Sunday, so how was your day? I hope you are doing well and you had a great time, even though you might have some work or chores. And from tomorrow, the Monday will start again. The grinding has is beginning. So hang in there, and I'm rooting for you. Okay? So today I'm gonna talk about my English strategy. I'm going to India for business trip since the exhibition World Trade Show will be held in India, Delhi. I supposed to be a booth staff to walk customers through our product, our technology. In that case, I really aspire to be fluent in English, but I know that it's hard for me to be fluent for everything at once. So I've decided to narrow my focus. Instead of to be able to handle everything in English, I've decided to new goal, which is to be fluent in the specific domain which is strongly related to my work and our products. Instead of be fluent everything, it's more realistic for me. And as you know that um, the two a huge gap will make us depressed. On the other hand, the discrepancy which will which seems to be overcome, then we get more motivated to do it. So that's why I set up the temporary goal for me. Anyway, so without further ado, let's dive into today's topic, which is just practicing my English about the exhibition. Okay, let's begin. Hey, hello. Are you looking for high precision testing for electric board measurement? Or what kind of job are you ready to? Um, and we are running the demonstration of our product. Would you mind if seeing it and let me explain our product? Okay, this is FA 1220. It's our testing machine for populated circuit board, and this is a bed of nails type. That means if the machine start, then all pins of jigs going to contact all the pins at the same time. So there is no movement time that allow us to inspect the testing, the board testing, incredibly short time. So this is a perfect choice for testing mass pro mass produce board at the same board. On the other hand, can you see the over there running the machine? And this is FA1240 flying probe type tester. As you can see, each independent four arms is moving to each part. So this means you don't have to order the fixture, the bed of nails. All you have to do is just importing CAD data of the board and press the start button. That's it. So if your product is high mix, low volume production, then this is a perfect choice for your production. If you want to change the board which should be tested, then what you should do is just only change the testing data. That's it. Very easy. And furthermore, I'm wondering if your job is related to semiconductor production. In this trade show, we are showcasing these two products in my company. On the other hand, we have other kind of products it's been developing. So let me walk you through these kind of products. This is for testing bare board. And say there is package board. This is used for CPU mounting. CPU is going to be mounted onto the package board. Using FA 1815, then the perfect testing for package boards will be offered. And this FA 1815 is a perfect choice for package testing package board. They can realize the best precision of mechatronics and high performance of electronic testing. Electronic measurement is in our DNA. We established and forged within the electric measurement. That's why I really want to say that if you have any challenges you're facing and which is related to semiconductor, we really eager to contribute and help you push boundary of the challenge you currently facing. And if we have any chances, could you introduce us about it? We will definitely help you and contribute your challenge. This is our main focus. And in conclusion, no. Lastly, let me describe our measurement techniques. As I mentioned, we established and forged within electronic measurement. So regarding populated circuit board, polarity failure of components and soldering crack is critical and it should be detected immediately. And then we can contribute detecting this failure using FA 1220 and FA 1240. because we, as I mentioned, our electronic measurement precision is incredible. So even though very tiny crack or very sensitive polarity, even though it happens, we can detect using incredible measurement skill integrity. As you know that soldering crack will affect the result of the measurement. It's only 1 ohm or 1 milliohm. I guess that other company can't detect this kind of tiny result, but we can do it. So I really aspire to know your challenges you're facing and imagine if you introduce our testing equipment and then you can detect any failure which which would happen, then your production line is going fine every time. So you don't have to come. You don't have to think about the loss of the loss caused by a failure board. So we that is we can do it. But we can do it. So may I have your business card? If you don't mind, I will send you the more detailed information of our product and via email. And after that, I really eager to make a meeting with you to discuss more detail. Thank you.